Today, I will present Revenue Expenditure by Excel.
Journalists like to. If you have more money to do this in two ways: increase revenue and reduce expenditure. The look is simple but it's touchy. It is not easy. The campaign was have been prepared to monitor incoming and outgoing expenses and the cost analysis on what is not necessary. The plan spending in the coming month. I do not credit the payment as well. I used to excel in the preparation of account payable. In this article, I would like to present to prepare a simple income and expenditure was currently in use. We will start recording the conduct of our life on a daily basis as income or expenses will be solved on the day that really happen in the Excel life will be saved and a month. The list was divided into two types of revenues and expenses. Have money, fill the revenue. Make fun, fill the expenditure. Buy book, fill the expenditure. Friend gift, take in revenue. Buy pencil, take in expenditure. Take the formula D3 minus E3. Enter. Take the new formula F3 plus D4 and minus E4. Copy the formula down. Last list. Finish. Thank you.